So here we have the ANT-1776ZBAI. So this particular device here that you can see is fitted with the artificial intelligence chip, and we have multiple inputs for video encoding. So just to run through all the cameras, so we have on the right the Sony zoom block connected via the LVDS interface here. Then next in line we have a HDMI camera, which is connected via an HDMI to USB converter into one of the USB-C ports. Then we have a standard USB-C webcam, which is connected into another of the USB-C ports. And then finally on the left-hand side, we have an analog camera, which is connected into the analog input, which is just over here. So we've actually got 4 cameras all connected to one encoder, video encoder. As you can see, it's got a little heatsink on the bottom. The AI chip gets a little bit warm, so it's obviously in an application would normally be bolted to something metallic to dissipate the heat to avoid having fans. So just to run over the interfaces again, so we have LVDS interface, we have a composite video interface which is then converted into MIPI on board, and we have 2 USB-C interfaces. So those are the 4 interfaces into the board. And as I say, we have the 4 cameras on the outside. Okay, so now if we move into the web interface of the actual ZBAI encoder, so just to remind you, you've got a Sony zoom block connected via LVDS. You have next an HDMI with a HDMI to USB-C capture converter. Then we have a USB-C camera, and then we finally have an analog camera. So this allows for multiple types of camera, whether they be thermal, fixed lens or zoom lens, to be connected to this unit. And all 4 cameras can have the AI chip activated to detect whatever it is you want to detect. In this case, it's actually been set for person detection. So as you can see me in the background there, I'm being detected by all 4 cameras as a person. And obviously as I move around, it's going to track me. The 4 cameras, so top right is the Sony zoom block, the next one is analog, and then the bottom 2 are USB-C. So this is how the ANT-1776ZBAI is able to stream 4 different camera sources and in parallel do AI detection. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like more information on this product, please get in touch and we will be more than happy to send you data and even an evaluation unit should you wish to do so. Thank you.